types of keto diets. Why am I insisting on the custom keto diet? There is something very special about it. And you can start losing weight in 30 days. What is extremely special about it is that it will personalize your diet 100%, and you can get your free meal plan for 7 days for free. So let me show you how you personalize it. You can choose here whether you're a man or a woman who wants to get a free plan. I choose a woman. So here you choose your daily activity level. Couch potatoes, somewhat active, average activity, extremely active, very active. See, for every lifestyle, you can get your free keto diet. So keto is for everybody. Don't let anything stops you from achieving your goals. So I would say average activity. You can choose whatever you want. And here you can choose what kind of meat you like, or no meat. You can go for no meat by all means. I like chicken, I love fish, bacon, and beef. Next, you choose your veggies. Well, I love all veggies, but even if you don't like veggies, you have to choose at least one. So I go broccoli, mushroom, zucchini, avocado, asparagus, and cauliflower. I love all of them. And now other food. Again, you have to choose just one of them at least. But I go eggs, yeah, cheese, cottage cheese, coconut. I'm not much for butter. And here it is. You enter your age, let's say 34. Um, enter your height, your current weight. It doesn't matter what your current weight is, okay? You can put 200, 300, 110, whatever you want. And then your target goal, what goal you want to achieve. So keto, we think it is for weight loss, but it can also help people who are underweight and are trying to achieve a healthier weight. And so you have to put your target weight here. I would say this is what I want to be. And you can also choose a metric system if you work with metric. So here you enter your name and your email, and the custom keto diet will be emailed to you. After you click on this, you may also receive some free coupons if in the future you want to order the paid program, the paid plan. But right here, you can receive your 7-day free meal plan.